Understanding clamp in place in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, clamp in place. This phrase might sound a bit technical, but it's actually quite common in everyday English. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Clamp in place is a phrase that originates from a physical action. To clamp something means to hold it tightly and securely in one position. When we say something is clamped in place, we mean that it is held firmly and is not moving. This phrase can be used both literally, like in a workshop or construction setting, and metaphorically in various situations. Example in context. Literal use, make sure the wood is clamped in place before you start sawing. Metaphorical use. Once she had an idea in her mind, it was clamped in place, and she wouldn't let it go. Now that we understand the meaning, let's see how to use this phrase in sentences. Remember, context is key. 1. In instructions, please clamp the sign in place on the stand. 2. In descriptions, the picture was clamped in place, so it wouldn't fall off the wall during the earthquake. 3. In figurative speech, his attention was clamped in place by the mesmerizing performance on stage. When using clamp in place, be careful not to confuse it with similar phrases. It specifically implies holding something firmly in a fixed position. It's not used for just holding or grabbing something temporarily. And that's it for clamp in place. I hope this video has helped you understand and feel more comfortable using this phrase in English. Remember, language learning is all about practice, so try using clamp in place in your conversations today. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.